Comparing lists containing NaNs. I am trying to compare two different lists to see if they are equal, and was going to remove NaNs, only to discover that my list comparisons still work, despite nan equals nan, false. Could someone explain why the following evaluate true or false, as I am finding this behavior unexpected? Thanks. I have read the following which don't seem to resolve the issue. Why in number pi, nan equals nan, is false while nan in, nan, is true? Why is nan not equal to nan? Duplicate. Python 2.7.3, number pi, 1.9.2. I have marked surprising evaluations with a asterisk at the end.
To understand what happens here, simply replace nan equals np.nan by foo equals float, nan. You will get exactly the same result. Why? Now think that numpy.nan is just a variable name that holds a float, nan. Now why, nan equals nan, is simply because list comparison first tests identity equality between items before equality for value. Think of it as